Hello, today we are making the structure of neuron. So first I have drew this all the dendrites and like this. This is nucleus, then this one on thermacol, and then we will cut it outlines. Okay. You can look this. It is looking somewhat like this, and now we will cut it nicely one more time in a decorative way. Using cutter I have did somewhat like this, down like this, you can see it, and here also I have did like this, you can see. In dendrites, I have did dark blue color, poster color, and in nucleus I have did black color, and cytoplasma, the body of the cell, I have did yellow color, and this axons I have did yellow and black mix. Here this one myelin sheath I have done pink colors, and last axons endings I have done dark blue color. You can look it, it is looking very nice. So thank you guys for watching the video. Hope you like the video, so share it with your friends. Bye.